Om Shri Sai Ram. I offer my loving salutations at the lotus feet of my beloved Lord, the Divine Mother Satya Sai. Words cannot fully express my gratitude and thankfulness for Swami's boundless grace in taking me into his fold. I often reflect on how life would have been without him, and I am immensely thankful for his constant presence in my life. Prashanthi Nilayam is my second home. It is my divine abode. Even though I first visited Parthi as a toddler, I have no memory of that trip. My father used to visit Parthi at least once a year during Swami's birthday to serve in medical camps and other service activities, but we children were never taken. My true connection with the sacred place began when I travelled to Parthi to write the entrance exam for admission to Swami's university. The story of how Swami brought me to his college is a testimony of his divine intervention. But that is a tale for another day and time. After receiving admission to the undergrad program, I stayed in Anantapur, where the girls' college and hostel were located. However, we were often taken to Parthi during festivals and other special occasions, and I would eagerly wait for those opportunities to have Swami's darshan. Even after completing my education at the university, I would return to have Swami's darshan as often as possible and multiple times a year. I was blessed with the privilege of serving in security duty for Swami many times, which was yet another chance given by our dear Lord to bring us closer to His presence. It is truly a humbling experience to realize that in reality it is Swami who is protecting us and we are His mere instruments. When I moved to the United States in 2005, I made it a point to visit Parthi every time I returned to India and have Swami's darshan. Swami would always look at me with his loving gaze and acknowledge my presence, filling my heart with happiness, peace and joy. My last darshan of Swami in his physical form was on March 10, 2011, and when I took my 6-month-old son to seek his blessings. Although Swami's health was frail and he faced immense physical difficulty, he continued to grace us with his darshan just out of his boundless love. As he walked ahead of me in the darshan line, he paused, turned and looked back at me and my son with a deeply affectionate gaze, blessing us in that moment. When Swami attained his Mahasamadhi, I was still in India, but I was too shocked and couldn't accompany my family to the final rites. I could not accept that he was no longer with us in his physical form. I was not sure if I would ever have the strength to return to Parthi again. However, in 2013, I gathered the courage to return to Prashanthi Nilayam. To my amazement, I felt Swami's presence in the same profound way I had when he was in his physical body. Whether I closed my eyes or kept them open, I could sense his divine walk and his loving darshan. Tears of gratitude flowed as I felt his love and grace, just as I had during his physical presence. Ever since that visit, I have continued to experience Swami's presence in the same way, and I know that he is always with me, guiding and protecting me. A pilgrimage is an essential journey for every devotee. It nurtures our spiritual growth, strengthens our inner peace, and deepens our connection to the divine. It provides a much needed respite from the stresses of daily life and helps us to find clarity and solace. I sincerely pray that all the Sai devotees are blessed with this opportunity to visit Prashanthi Nilayam, to experience the immense bliss of being in His divine presence, and to return recharged, ready to face the challenges of the world with renewed strength and purpose. Jai Sai Ram.